Hi guys, welcome to Adobe After Effects CC, the complete course from Novice to Expert. I am truly very excited to have you in this course and start you on the journey to becoming an expert in motion graphics, visual effects, and compositing. So join me and let's discover what this course is all about. I made it easy for you to begin animating almost immediately. You will start creating your first animation in the first section. I don't believe there is a need to learn all the theories and boring stuff before doing something exciting. The second section, you will dive in to create your full motion graphics video using text and shape animations. I will guide you step by step for you to learn the 3 stages to creating a full motion project. In the next 3 sections, you will learn almost all the motion techniques and methods to set you on track to start expanding your skills to create complex animations and start using visual effects. I don't know you personally, but I'm sure you can and will acquire amazing skills to create awesome videos. After these 4 sections, you will start digging in specialized topics such as 3D, complex and compound shapes, per character animations, expressions and infographics, time games with videos and graphics, blending modes, puppeteering, lots of presets, motion tracking, camera tracking, and much more. By the end of the course, you will be able to create a much better video than the one you are watching now. You will have a great learning experience in this course, I promise you. Now that you are ready to go from novice to expert, let's dive in.